Hello, welcome to HTML tutorials brought to you by Ankpro Technologies. Myself Nirmala. In this session, we are going to learn the lesson number 12, that is blocks and the responsive web pages. HTML elements are of two types, that is block level elements and the inline elements. Block level elements acquires entire width of the web page and always starts with the new line. These are the examples for the block level elements, that is div, h1 to h6, heading tags and the paragraph tag and the form tag. We'll see a simple demo how to display the how to see the block level elements on a web page. Go to Visual Studio Code. Save the file, type all basic tags within a body tag, take a div tag, write the content of the div tag. This is div element. Div tag is nothing but a more than a container unit that encapsulate other page elements like a paragraph or an image or etc. and divides the HTML document into a sections. And web developers use the div element to group together HTML elements and apply CSS styles to many elements at once. This is the example for the div tag is the example for the block level elements. Now we'll see how to display this content of the web page. Save the file, go to file location, open the file. The content of the div tag will be displayed on a web page. This is the content of the div tag. Press function F12 to see how this div tag is acquiring the width of the web page. Here is the inspect element. Click on this or a Control Shift C. Place a arrow on a text. Here you can observe this is the div tag acquiring entire width of the web page. Even though the text or a sentence of the div is very less, but it acquires the entire width and it starts always with a new line. And next we have a inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. Inline elements on other hand can appear within a sentence and do not appear on a new line. And span, anchor tag and images are the examples for the inline element. We'll see how to display the inline elements. As I said earlier, paragraph is also a block level element. Welcome. Within a paragraph, I am going to take the inline element, that is span. Span is an example for the inline element. Ankpro Technologies. Welcome to Ankpro Technologies. Save the file, go to browser, refresh the browser. Here you can observe the paragraph, inspect the element, the paragraph, even the paragraph is acquiring entire width of the web page. And coming to span tag, it acquires the like a sentence or a text width. It's not acquiring the entire width and it is not starting with a new line. This is the difference between the block level elements and the inline elements. And next we have simple topic called a responsive web page. We'll see how to display the how to create a responsive web page. Responsive means a unique site that can adapt to any screen or a size today or in a future. Screen size refers to desktop or a notebook or a tablet or a mobile phone. Today, a unique responsive desktop screen is not enough. We need to create a web page that should be responsive in all the devices or in all the screens. We'll see a simple demo. Go to Visual Studio Code, This is my web page. This is the page for a responsive web page. So responsive demo, and within a body tag I am going to take 5 div tags. Write the content of the tag. This is div tag 1. I'm going to copy the text. This is div 2 and this is the div 3 and this is the div 4 content, and finally this is the div 5 content. For the divs I am going to write the internal styles, that is within a head tag take a style tag. Within a style tag write the style for a div element, that is height 200 pixels and the width 300 pixels, and I am going to apply the border for the divs, that is border 2 pixel solid right, and also a background color green. We have a one more property called a float left. Save the file, go to browser, and I am going to apply the margins for the div tags, that is margin right 5 pixels. Save the file, go to browser, now refresh the browser. This is how the divs are displaying. Reduce the sizes, $150. Save the file, go to browser, refresh the browser. This is how all the divs are displaying. For example, if I resize my browser, this is how the divs are displaying on a desktop. If I resize the browser, this is how the divs are displaying on a mobile, and this is on a medium screen, and this is on a desktop screen. Here you can observe the text or the content of the web page is not hidden. Instead it displaying one below the other. The data is, we are not losing any data. This is how this is the one way of creating the responsive web pages. Finally, thank you for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ankpro Training. You can also like our Facebook by visiting these URLs. We are also on Twitter. For more references, please refer our website, and we are also on LinkedIn too. Last but not the least, please don't forget to give the feedback. Thank you. Have a great day.